everyone, happy Tuesday. It's Sarah here with the Montana Science Center. I am coming at you with another fun virtual science experiment, so let's get started. So for today's virtual science station experiment, I would first like to introduce the date. It is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. And on the agenda for today, we have 4 different items. We'll go over first introductions, then materials, after that directions, and finally an explanation. So to go over introductions again, like I said, my name is Sarah Snyder. I'm the program coordinator here at the Montana Science Center. And the experiment that we will be doing today focuses on optical illusions. So illusion is something that appears to be one way but actually isn't. And optical has its roots in the study of our eyes and how we see things, like optometry or optics or ophthalmologist. So we are going to be doing something super fun. Follow on. As you can see here, and as you might be familiar with, this is known as a penny spinner or a coin spinner. So to do this, I took some recycled cardboard and the template. I'll go ahead and place a link to a template for this type of optical illusion for you in the link to this. And then I found a penny. In the template, it'll have a hole for you to carefully cut a hole for the penny, so please use proper guidance and supervision as needed. And it was a little loose fitting, so I did hot glue the bottom part as well. So I did 2 colors, sort of a reddish pink and a blue. And the cool thing about this experiment is when you spin it, the color might change, it might not change, but something does change. So pause this video, form a hypothesis as to what you think will happen to the top of this penny spinner when I spin it. Your hint is that it is an optical illusion, so our eyes are kind of playing tricks on us. So I'm going to spin this penny spinner and we'll see what happens here. Focus on the top colors of this penny spinner. So I noticed that when it's spinning fast, if we were to guess what color this was, I would probably say purple. It looks very purple to me. Oh, don't fall. However, we know that it's reddish, pink, and blue. It appeared to be mostly purple, however, when I spun it. So pause this video and think about how that is working. We know that the optical illusion is that it appears purple when I'm spinning it really fast, but when we stop spinning it, we see that it's not purple at all. Form your hypothesis, pause this video, and we'll continue. So as I said, optical illusions are kind of tricky. Our eye sees one thing and our brain interprets it one way, but it's not quite what it seems to be, right? So, as we know, the colors red and blue combine to make purple. When they're spinning that fast, our eye perceives those colors as purple, even though they're really not. And that's just one of many optical illusions that exist. If you want to find more optical illusions, there's so many out there that you can do that involve color and shapes and dimensions. So, we hope you have a good rest of your week, and we will see you next time. All right, bye.